This will blow your mind, and not only that. Aha! 1, 2, 3. Huh? Oh no! What do you think you are doing? Ow! Caught in action! Nice! Thanks, Al! Wow, it's beautiful, Savvy, but…
We need to move to another apartment.
What? What is this place? Looks like an abandoned thrift store. I can't live in such a place. Oh, let's make the bedroom makeover. First, let's get rid of the boomer stuff. Now, let's cook something up. Yeah, looks like the grilled cheese. Let's do it this. This is how I roll, literally. Hope it works. Wow, like a beautiful sunrise. Wow, so vibrant. I really… Oh, I can't believe I fell for this trick. What's that? Oh, I have a perfect idea. Adam's family mansion. This next hack is gonna be lit slow and steady. It's missing something. Oh. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Oh. It's perfect! I can watch this forever! Ow! That was a little rough. What I can do about it? Oh! Let me… where is it? Found it! Wanna see my superpowers? Work your magic, editor! Too fast, too furious! Let me pull that now. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Now let's cut it here. Boom! Isn't that cute? Yay! Nice! Conjuring the power of editing once again. All covered. Nice! And comfy too. So soft. What's that? Mirror, mirror, you need a makeover. Nice, let's add some fairy lights. Nice. A mirror, mirror on the floor. Who is the best DIY hacker of them all? Me, of course. That's perfect. So nice. Oh. Perfect. It's time for a TikTok. I always wanted to do this, and now I have the perfect mirror for it! Ho, ho, ho! This was rad! What now? I need something else, ew! What's this? Disgusting! Got to do something about this! Let me lay down! Nice! What do we have here? I don't know what to do with this. Okay, I guess I have to make them work. First, gotta do the outline. Yeah, like that. Pablo Picasso, the cubist himself, has blessed me with this creative spark. Gotta make him proud. Woohoo! Great job. I need some rest. I will need a mattress. Ew. The Addams family did a garage sale, I see. Good. Ooh, look at this chaos. Have to sort out this mess. Ooh. Hand tight. Flash, I'm faster than you. Now I can rest a bit. Sweet dreams, queen. Get out! Yeah. Ow! You got to be kidding me! Where are you? Target acquired. Ow! Oh, my head! I need to do something about that. Tony Stark glasses on. Get out! Huh? I got an idea. These hips don't lie, you flying monstrosity. Be gone! I'm unstoppable. That might work. I'll create the perfect force field that no evil can go through. Tightly secured. Vroom! Let's place it here. Nice, now I can hide myself. No, you're not allowed in here. Time to sleep. It's Christmas! I forgot! Decoration! What do I got? That's exactly what I was looking for. Let me see. Maybe I will find myself a Mariah in there. No. No, maybe later.
Whoa! Ow!
This is beautiful. Maybe this will work. No.
Next time, be more gentle.
Okay. What are you?
I'm a Christmas elf. We have some work to do.
An elf? And what are you doing here?
I came here to help you with a Christmas decoration.
Oh, yes, nice. Come.
Whoa! So, where's your...
Yeah.
Where's your Christmas tree?
I don't have one. What are we gonna do?
Oh. I can use these old boxes for some Christmas miracle. Let me dress it.
Wow, it's like magic. Oh! What? This was all the help? I will have to do it all by myself now. What do I have here? Oh, I know what I can do. I'll just need more of this. Rome was not built in one day, but my Christmas decoration will sure be. I'll connect them like this. Now let's give it a little color. First, we need to start with the basics, am I right? Boom! Christmas magic! Woohoo! My star is gonna shine brighter than Northern Star. Nicely done! Let's put it here where it belongs. Let it glow, let it glow, let it glow. Look at that! It's so cute, but I need something else. Let me see here. Oh, I can get the hang of it. Yeah, just like dancing. Round and round we go. Yeah! Oh, I'm getting a little dizzy. Oh, Christmas balls! Now I'll be a true beller when it comes to Christmas decoration. Yep, a little hand from the editor might be helpful. And done. Great. Oh, the final touch. Shine bright, always to the top of the tree. Now Christmas can officially begin. But the room still looks not very festive. I should keep decorating it. Step 1. Get rid of these boxes. I gotta hit the gym more. New Year's resolution. Whew, finally. Let's get to the good part. Man, gotta be fast. I can almost hear the reindeers coming. Gotta respect the old guy. Let it go. Let it go. This bed needs to be Christmassy too. Yeah, cozy enough. What a great job I have done. Yeah, majestic. Finally, it feels like Christmas and sure looks the part too. Oh, honey. Mom, you're here. Do you like my room? Yes, baby. I'm so proud of you. A gift. Thank you. What's the smell? Your dad is baking cookies. Let's go. Yeah, let's go.